Today, I would like to talk about a very healthy and delicious fruit known as black mulberries. Black mulberries are small, soft fruits that are dark purple to black in color. They grow on mulberry trees and are commonly found in warm and temperate regions of the world. Black mulberries are usually available in the summer season and are loved by people of all ages because of their sweet and slightly tangy taste. Let us begin by discussing the nutritional value of black mulberries. This fruit is rich in important nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, fiber, calcium, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and proper body functions. Black mulberries are low in calories, which makes them a great choice for people who want to eat healthy. One of the most important benefits of black mulberries is that they help strengthen the immune system. The antioxidants found in mulberries protect the body from free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to serious diseases. By eating black mulberries regularly, the body becomes more capable of fighting infections like colds and flu. Black mulberries are especially beneficial for people who suffer from anemia, a condition caused by low iron levels in the blood. Since this fruit contains a good amount of iron, it helps increase hemoglobin levels and improves the supply of oxygen throughout the body. This helps reduce tiredness and weakness. Another major benefit of black mulberries is their positive effect on the digestive system. They are high in dietary fiber, which helps improve digestion and prevents constipation. Fiber also supports a healthy gut and helps in the proper absorption of nutrients from food. Black mulberries also play an important role in maintaining heart health. They help lower bad cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation. Good blood flow reduces the risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular diseases. Eating fruits like mulberries as part of a balanced diet can greatly support heart health. In addition, black mulberries are known to help control blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes when consumed in moderation. The natural compounds in mulberries help regulate glucose levels in the body. Black mulberries are also very good for skin and hair health. The vitamins and antioxidants present in this fruit help keep the skin fresh, glowing, and youthful. They slow down signs of aging, such as wrinkles. For hair, mulberries strengthen the roots, promote growth, and help reduce hair fall. There are many ways to enjoy black mulberries. They can be eaten fresh or used to prepare juice, jam, jelly, syrup, smoothies, desserts, or even dried and stored for later use. In hot weather, mulberry juice is very refreshing and helps cool the body. In conclusion, black mulberries are a wonderful gift of nature. Although they are small in size, they are full of powerful nutrients and health benefits.